children, good morning. Today we are going to see a small story about Dippy and Rosie. Today we are going to see a small story about Dippy and Rosie. Are you ready? I hope you are all ready. Are you ready? Yes. Get, set, go. Everyone has got their unique qualities. Everyone has got their unique qualities. We should know our strength. We should know our strength. A duck cannot be a rabbit. A duck cannot be a rabbit. It cannot hop like a rabbit. It cannot hop like a rabbit. We should be satisfied with what we have. We should be satisfied with what we have. The birds can fly. The birds can fly. The monkey can swing. The monkey can swing. A horse can trot. The horse can trot. The dog can bark. The dog can bark. The tortoise can crawl. It will be crawling. The tortoise can crawl. The mouse can squeak. The mouse can squeak. I am going to tell you an interesting story about a little duck and a little rabbit. I am going to tell you an interesting story about a little duck and a little rabbit. The name of the duck is Dippy. The name of the duck is Dippy. Dippy duck, and the name of the rabbit is Rosie rabbit. The name of the rabbit is Rosie rabbit. They both are friends. Who are friends? The duck and the rabbit are friends. They were playing near the pond. They were playing near the pond. The little duck said, I can swim. Can you swim, Rosie? The little duck said, I can swim. Can you swim, Rosie? The little rabbit replied, No, I cannot. No, I cannot. I can only hop. What can rabbit do? It can only hop. I can only hop. Dippy likes to swim and Rosie likes to hop. Dippy likes to swim and Rosie likes to hop. They have fun with each other. They both have fun with each other. Now, Rosie asked Dippy that, can you hop? Can you hop? The little duck answered, no, I cannot. I can only swim. Dippy replied, no, I cannot hop. I can only swim. Both of them discussed with each other. Both of them discussed with each other. The Dippy told that I want to hop like you, Rosie. Dippy told that I want to hop like you, Rosie. Rosie answered, what? Rosie answered, I also want to swim like you, Dippy. I also want to swim like you, Dippy. Next, think what happens. Think and say, Ma, what happens? They are shouting, help, 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 help. I cannot swim. Rosie started shouting. Rosie started shouting. Rosie started shouting. On the other hand, Dippy started shouting, help, I cannot hop. On the other hand, Dippy started shouting, help, I cannot hop. Now, both of them called their Mama Duck and Mama Rabbit. They both called their Mama Duck and Mama Rabbit. Who is Mama Duck? Their mother. Their both mother, Mama Duck and Mama Rabbit. They both started shouting, help, help. Dippy's mother called Dippy and told, you are not a rabbit. Dippy's mother called Dippy and told, you are not a rabbit. You can't hop. You are not a rabbit. You can't hop. Rosie's mother called Rosie and told, you are not a Dippy. You are not a Dippy. You cannot swim. You cannot swim. What she told? You cannot swim. Now, you are not a duck. Come and hop with me. Rosie's mother called Rabbit and told, you are not a duck and come and hop with me. Okay, children, what do you learn from this lesson? You should do only what you can. You should do only what you can. You should do only what you can. You can't do your mother's work. You can't do your mother's work. You can't cook in the kitchen now. You can't cook in the kitchen now. You can't ride the bike like your father. You can't ride the bike like your father. It is very dangerous. So, you should do your work. You should do your work. You see the things, what you can do. You can sing. You can sing. You can swim. You can swim. You can ride a bicycle. You can ride a bicycle. You can dance. You can dance. You can fly a kite. You can fly a kite. You can catch a ball. You can also catch a ball. You can do small household works. You can do small household works. As a children, you can learn so many things in this childhood. As a children, you can learn so many things in this childhood and enjoy it As a children, you can learn so many things in this childhood and enjoy it. I hope children you have understood this story. I will teach you the lesson. Hoppity hop, splash, splash. Hoppity hop, splash, splash. Get, set, go. Get, set, go. Dippy Duck and Rosie Rabbit are friends. Dippy Duck and Rosie Rabbit are friends. They play near the pond. They play near the pond. I can swim. Can you swim, Rosie? I can swim. Can you swim, Rosie? No, I cannot. I can hop. Who is saying? Rabbit is saying. No, I cannot. I can hop. Dippy likes to swim. Rosie likes to hop. Dippy likes to swim. Rosie likes to hop. They have fun. They have fun. Can you hop? Who is asking? Dippy is asking. Can you hop? No, I cannot hop. I can swim. No, I cannot hop. I can swim. I want to hop like you, Rosie. I want to hop like you, Rosie. Dippy is saying. Next, see what Rosie is saying. I want to swim like you, Dippy. I want to swim like you, Dippy. What happens next? Help, I cannot swim. Help, I cannot swim. Help, I cannot hop. Both are shouting. Help, I cannot swim. Help, I cannot hop. Mama Duck and Mama Rabbit helped them. Who helped them? Mama Duck and Mama Rabbit helped them. Dippy, come and swim with me. You are not a rabbit. Dippy, come and swim with me. You are not a rabbit. You cannot hop. You cannot hop. Rosie, you cannot swim. Rosie, you cannot swim. You are not a duck. You are not a duck. Come and hop with me. Mama Rabbit is calling. Come and hop with me. You are not a Dippy. Okay children, I hope you have understood the story and the lesson. I will meet you with the worksheet. Please start reading. Keep on reading. Bye.